To make an appointment with your advisor, log into Starfish. Remember, your login is the same username and password you use to log into campus computers and campus Wi-Fi. When you log into Starfish, the first page you see is the My Success Network. Here you're going to see your advisors and instructors and any other secondary service providers that you're connected to through Starfish. You'll also see your services page. So to make an appointment with your advisor, you can look for your advisor in your connections, hover or click over the three-dot menu and click Schedule, or you can open your advisor's profile page to look at their office hours and click Schedule an appointment using the button on the left. This is going to open up the different kinds of appointments that they have available. Some advisors advise for multiple programs, so make sure that you choose the right advising appointments or the right kind of appointments that you need. You'll be able to expand the appointment to see the different reasons. So use the arrow on the right to expand to choose the reason for your appointment. Click on the appointment, then click Continue at the bottom right. This is going to open up all the different times in a given week or 2 weeks that are available for that appointment reason. Find a time that works for you and then click Continue on the bottom right. This is going to ask you to confirm the date and time, the location, and the reason for the visit. If you need to change the reason, if you've chosen the wrong reason, you can click Change, and that's going to bring you back to that other page to choose a different reason. You can also give a little information to the advisor about why you need the appointment. Then click Confirm on the bottom right, and that's going to confirm the appointment. You can, from this page, you can change the appointment, you could return to the main services page, or you can view all your upcoming appointments. So here I have 2 upcoming appointments with my advisor. If I need to cancel them or update them, I can click on them here.